What's up everyone? Guess what? Today I just went and bought myself an amazing new family member for my Canon family, and that is 1DX Mark II. And guess what? Each and every one of you will get to see me unbox it and see what exactly is inside. Stay tuned. So we got the normal power cord. I still don't know what this thing is. Manuals that nobody reads anymore. I mean, we have YouTube for that. So nice. Looks like it's in the yellow instead of white. The charger. This is one big charger. I'm not gonna lie. A lot bigger than the one I have for my Mark IV, which I am shooting on right now. And then the infamous battery that lasts forever. Can't wait to test that out. And now let's see here. Let's go for the most important part of the entire box, and that is the housing. As you can tell, there's a special housing unit just for the camera, and that's located in this smaller box. So let's see what it looks like. And why can't Canon just put a thumb drive in there instead of using a CD? No one really has CDs anymore. I just don't understand why they still do CDs. They could have easily put it on a small thumb drive and then put that in there, especially with the amount of money you spend on a camera like this. Oh my gosh. This is going to be amazing. I'm not getting the jitters just by simply looking at it. Oh my gosh. This is surreal right now. This is absolutely surreal. Oh, this is a monster. Oh my. Take a look at all those custom buttons. Oh. I don't have any words for this. I mean, this is going to definitely take my photography and videography game to a whole new level. The 5D Mark IV is an incredible camera. Incredible camera. Amazing for portraits. If you want to check out some of my portraits, go ahead and go to my website, which is my Facebook page, Hinesley Productions, and go and check out the videos I've done thus far with this camera. On my YouTube page, the same thing, the Hinesley Productions. So definitely take a look at that and be on the lookout for obviously more to come, because this is one piece of awesome equipment. I just don't have any words to describe my feelings right now with this. This is a lot to take in right now. Absolutely a lot to take in right now. But thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to post more videos and post more content to my Facebook page as well as my Instagram, which is Hinesley Productions. Go ahead and check those out. Check Hinesley Productions on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.